Hey, we're finally done. We got 4 more parts to do in this last assignment here, and there's nothing new to learn, okay? Um, there's no new tricks or anything I'm going to show you. It's just kind of working through what we've already done. So it should be pretty simple for us. So I'm going to be going flying through these, all right, because I think we should be pretty good. So that's still up from my last video here. So I'm going to grab a new standard.ipt file. Come on in, 2D sketch, XY plane. Oops. All right, and then I need, let's see, sketch tools, rectangle. I could go even faster if I had a mouse, but I don't have a mouse. 8, tab 5, enter, home. Finish my sketch. Just extrude that out. 6, 6, enter, home. I'm going to grab the back side of the cube just to make sure that I'm consistent with the drawing itself. I'm going to cut this. 2, 4, 8. Extrude that in. Cut that in 4. I'll only cut that in halfway. Then I can go back around to my other isometric view here. I'm going to come up here, put a new sketch. Boom. Grab my circle. Center point of this line. There you go. And it's going to be right about here, right? So if that was 6 wide, this is going to be 4. Finish my sketch. Extrude. Cut. And cut the next. There you go. Pretty simple on that one. Just simple geometry. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. All right, let's grab another one here. What's next? Let's do another 2D sketch. Sure, let's do that. Seems like a pattern here. Always starting on the origin. 8, tab, 2, enter. Finish sketch. Extrude. 6, enter. Home. Now I can see what's what. I'm going to go over here. New sketch. White rectangle. I need to cut out a little chunk here. And this chunk is 1, tab 4. 4, tab 1. Rather. And center this guy. 2. 2, 4. Leaves 2 remainder, which is nice and even. Finish. Extrude. Cut. Done. Put another sketch. I'm going to hit the home key. And then I'm going to come over here and let's see. Here to here. That sounds about right. So it's going to be 8, tab 2. Enter. Finish sketch. Extrude. 6. Up. Make it 6 up. There we go. Grab my fillets. Fancy fillets. Fillets that to 4. Yeah, 4. Okay. Is that right? Looks a little short there, but we can always go in and adjust our extrusion. Is that 7? Let's do a recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's 8 actually. Huh. That's why. 8. New sketch. Home key. Put a circle out of this. Touch it. Hey, there's the center point. 4. Enter. Finish. Extrude. Cut. Okay. Fillet. This is a fillet of 1, 1, 1, Done. All right, nice and easy there, all the way through. Again, just make sure you can read your own notes. It'll go quicker that way. All right, let's go to new part. Come back in here. 2D sketch, rectangle. Here, drag up and over. 9, tab 7, enter. Finish sketch. Extrude. 4. Oh. I'm going to put a new sketch here. You can see I'm really flying by this time. And I want to cut out something that looks like this. So I want to cut this in. And just watch how I'm holding my geometry here. And then I can dimension my lines so I can figure out what that is supposed to be. All right. And that's 1, 2, 3, 6. Figure out what this one's supposed to be. 3, 2. Hey. 2. My sketch. Extrude. Cut. Distance of 2. There we go. Now I want to put a hole through the whole thing. So let's new sketch. Circle here. All right, the circle's something like this. And 4 there. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4 up. And there we go. And if this is done right, we should have a distance here of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close enough. That really shouldn't have been on that line. That's okay. That's really supposed to be 4, but I'm going to call that good enough for now. So don't put it on that line. Move it over. Make it 4 across. Extrude. Cut. All. There you go. The hole's in the wrong place because I put it on the line. It wasn't really supposed to go on the line. It's better off if you start on the back. You start on the back and just make it 4 and 4. Make it nice and even. Make it easy for yourself. All right. I tried to do it a different way this time, and it ended up not working out. So, oh well. New part. We're going to go on here. This one's very, very easy. 2D sketch, XY plane, rectangle tool, positive X, positive Y direction. All right. We're going to go with 8, tab 6, enter, finish sketch. Oop, don't revolve it. I want to extrude it. Mouse pad. I want to extrude that one. 5. Is it 5? Now I got a block. New sketch. Oh, just watch the way you're rotating it. That's all. 8. 8. Extrude. Cut. Let's cut it all off. Ta-da! Let's whip around to the back of this cube. Put a new sketch here. See, that is 1, 2, 3 by 4. 1, 2, 3, yeah. 4, tab 3. Enter. Dimension. 2. My sketch. Extrude my geometry, and finally, mercifully, we are done with all of these. Check it out. There you go. I know I messed up a little bit on number 19 there, but you can fix that. You get the idea. I just wanted to kind of fly through these pretty quickly. We walked through everything pretty lockstep, and you can see how I've been purposely trying to speed up as much as I can through these. with doing as little explaining as possible, although I keep showing you new stuff, so it doesn't really work out always that well. But hopefully you're picking up speed as these go along, and that's really the point here, is that you should be kind of getting, you don't have to be as fast as I'm going through, but pretty darn close to that speed as you work through these, because these are pretty simple, predetermined shapes. And the biggest part of the design process should be the actual design process, not using a tool. Remember, CAD is just a tool, right? Autodesk Inventor is just a tool. When you're in class learning it, it's just like you learn how to use any other tool. Like if you're in the wood shop, or if you're taking like culinary or sewing or anything, right? You're just learning some of those techniques. The design, that's the important part. All right. So hopefully this was helpful. So now we have 2 assignments done, and I'll come back with some more assignments for you a little later on that we can kind of help you through. All righty. I'll see you next time.